Have you ever wondered how herrings communicate in their vast underwater world? Well, it turns out that they have a rather unique and even amusing method. They communicate through what we might equate to farts. Yes, you heard that right. Herrings use a method called fast repetitive tick, FRT sounds, which are essentially high-frequency bursts of sounds produced by the expulsion of air from their swim bladder. These sounds are akin to the noises we associate with flatulence, hence the colloquial term, herring farts. The swim bladder in herring plays an essential role in this communication process. It is a gas-filled sac located in their bodies that helps them control their buoyancy. When herrings expel air from this swim bladder, it results in these unique FRT sounds, serving as a way to signal and communicate with their fellow fish. But why would herrings choose to communicate this way? The answer lies in the darkness of their underwater home. In the deep, dark waters of the ocean, visual signals are not as effective. So, herrings have adapted to use sound as a form of communication. FRTs are particularly advantageous as they are high frequency and thus can be heard over long distances and in noisy environments. Furthermore, herrings seem to use these sounds primarily at night, possibly to maintain group cohesion in the dark when they cannot rely on visual cues. This is a fascinating example of how animals have evolved to use the tools at their disposal to survive and thrive in their environments. So, to recap, herrings communicate using fast repetitive tick sounds, which are essentially high-frequency bursts of sounds produced by the release of air from their swim bladder. This communication method is particularly effective in the deep, dark waters where herrings live, allowing them to maintain group cohesion and communicate over long distances. This is a perfect example of the wonder and adaptability of nature. Even in the deep, dark ocean, life finds a way to communicate. And in the case of herrings, it does so in a rather amusing and endearing way. After all, who would have thought that a fish's fart could serve such a crucial purpose?